Ahead of its second quarter results releasing on Thursday, August 7th, Intuitive Machines appears to be gearing up to make giant leaps in the long term that will overshadow any small steps back in the short term. Because although it's expected to report a quarterly loss of 6 cents per share, representing a year-over-year decline of 20%, its revenues are expected to increase by 65.2% to $68.42 million compared to the year-ago quarter. Regardless of whether results pan out this way, Intuitive Machines is set to keep enjoying the space revival, which has led to it securing a $9.8 million government contract to advance its Orbital Transfer Vehicle, OTV, through the critical design review phase. This contract signals the company's growth and diversification in space operations, particularly in the area of in-space mobility solutions beyond lunar surface delivery. The OTV is built on the flight-proven Nova-C lander architecture and draws heritage from hardware and designs validated in 2 lunar missions. The OTV is designed to deliver customer payloads across orbits, from Earth to the Moon and beyond, with an anticipated payload capacity of approximately 2,100 kilograms. The vehicle is engineered for high agility and time-efficient transfer of spacecraft and mission hardware across a wide range of destinations, including medium Earth orbit, geostationary orbit, and Lagrange points. According to Steve Altemus, CEO of Intuitive Machines, the OTV is a direct evolution of the company's lunar surface delivery missions, positioning the company to expand into the rapidly growing market for in-space logistics. This contract is part of Intuitive Machines' delivery service pillar, which complements the company's growing portfolio of lunar landers, Earth re-entry vehicles, and space-based data transmission infrastructure. The company believes that this non-NASA award reinforces its strategic move to diversify its customer base and deliver orbital capabilities that span commercial, civil, and national security space operations. With critical design review underway, Intuitive Machines is preparing to begin manufacturing and flight integration as early as 2026, positioning the company to support a new class of on-orbit logistics missions. So despite challenges such as higher SG&A costs and competitive pressures, Intuitive Machines' strategic expansion and government contracts set up the company for potential growth and revenue enhancements. In the bigger picture, Intuitive Machines is likely to benefit from more opportunities like this because of the ongoing space race between the United States and China. Both countries are aiming to land humans on the Moon by 2030, and the company's expertise in space technology and infrastructure services makes it an attractive player in the industry. Other progress has seen Intuitive Machines recently announce a deal with SpaceForge to integrate the latter's semiconductors into its orbital return platform, Zephyr. This platform is part of the company's Earth re-entry program, which is backed by the Texas Space Commission's Space Exploration and Research Fund. Speaking of Texas, the Houston City Council approved a strategic lease amendment for Intuitive Machines, adding 3 acres and extending its lease at the Houston Spaceport by 5 years to enable a $12 million expansion. This project will include new production and testing facilities, as well as support infrastructure, to scale lunar lander assembly, Earth re-entry systems, lunar terrain vehicle development, and NASA's Near Space Network services. The company's expansion plans are expected to support its growing portfolio of projects, including its Nova-C lunar lander series, spacecraft cargo systems, and in-space communication services. Exactly what's needed to keep the dream alive of going to the Moon. Again,